Welcome to the Valiant Kuzo Show. Subscribe or die.
Welcome back to River City, girls. We just stole a key to the mall. Fuck your bully ball.
Bro.
The bomb, bro?
Yeah, just get both. There's the black.
There's the black kid. He wants more.
Corrupt police that are certainly not sworn to protect you.
Daddy, chill.
That Deb knocked her back, bro. Oh, it's so nice.
Oh, I got kicked.
Oh, fuck you. I did not.
Ow!
Shit. I did not. Oh.
How much shit you thrown at me? I'm not dead.
Please?
Yay.
Oh, thank God.
Wait,
Holy
let's go to the candy shop.
Yeah.
It's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.
See the old white.
Oh my God, thank God. I would have been dead.
Damn it, it's a big hair, bitch.
Sure.
Okay, that's fucking useless. Well, for the price wise, yeah.
The what?
Price wise, yeah, the $14 is better.
Yeah.
Because it's
Thank you for shopping.
22%.
Yeah.
Throwing it over there.
Damn. Just like they always did. Oh my God. Wait, there wasn't anything over here?
Alright.
Oh, wait. Oh! Optical illusion.
Yeah. You want the rope?
Yes.
I'll just dance on top of the water like I'm Jesus.
You are Jesus. What is this?
Alright, join. Just leave.
Yeah.
We'll
Alright.
Ow.
Holy fuck.
Enter the building.
Ah,
Just hold X.
yeah. My God. We probably should just run.
I got him.
Okay. Fuck you! Don't you dare touch my boyfriend! I will kill you! And I'll cut off your balls. Get him. Oh.
Yeah, and now we go to the right.
Okay.
I guess we have to beat it.
The fuck up, I'd like to fuck up you.
So,
Hey, I actually got a parry.
nice.
Ow! Snuck up
Is this a construction site?
Oh shit.
So yucky. Yo, Magic Boy! You up there?
My name's not Magic Boy.
He's up there. Come on, let's go beat some info out of him.
Shovel! To their head.
Oh, you gotta shove it up their ass.
Oh, a cutscene.
And he's covered in And now he's possessed.
Oh boy.
هكر 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 يا جماعة لو انتبهتوا لحركاته
Ladies, welcome to my lair.
This is a rooftop. Yeah, not even a finished one.
Rooftops can be lairs.
Whatever. We're looking for Kunio and Ricky.
That big girl said you hang out with them, do ya?
As if. Those guys are losers.
What did he say about my Ricky poo?
Chill, Kyoko.
I'll chill this guy's face!
Relax. I haven't talked to him in years.
I thought you guys were friends.
We were.
We're
A long
friends.
time ago.
That's the key
What's
word.
happening?
Cutscene.
Oh god,
No
it's a
one cares,
fucking
Yamada.
flashback.
We were just kids then.
Oh no, shut up.
Flashback.
I was 10 years old when my
Jigsaw.
family moved to River City. I hated them for moving. I hated having to leave
Alright,
my
fine.
friends behind.
Yeah, I don't care. Sorry,
I lost the
Yamada.
love of my life and my best.
I don't care, Yamada. No one cares, Yamada.
We'll just say he's the gay guy. Oh, it's
Oh. Oh, shit, he teleports?
Oh, he does.
He really does. Oh my god. Oh yeah, good luck. Gonna get you in one hit. Yep.
He didn't take damage when I was point blank.
I lied
Shut
again.
up, Yamada.
But yet, you're the one beating people with a heart.
Bro, it just punched me off the roof. Holy fuck, he does so much damage. Yes! Oh shit, hand back. Oh, God, you got so much! Nice. Oh, I got him off the roof. Get him off the roof! Fucking poser goth bitch. Fucking Yamada.
Alright. Last attempt for today.
Yeah.
God damn it.
Sorry, it's probably
I lost the love of my
homosexual.
life and
It is homosexual. He's talking about the love of his life and his best friend.
Yeah, that's fucking gay.
You know he's a wannabe god.
Absolutely.
He only receives, he doesn't pitch.
I know his favorite position is baseball. Yeah,
Maybe the first base they get
holy shit. Oh shit, got him off the roof, let's go. Oh, and he blocked. You can block that meanie. Yes. Ow. I'm over here. Oh, fuck.
Hackerman. He's the most powerful hacker of all time.
Aww. We were close, but no cigar. Alright, well,
My disappointment is immeasurable. And my day is
if you enjoyed, I appreciate you.
Welcome to the shit show.
Welcome to the show. See you next time.
Enjoy